heart grew just to die.
It really does smell like a good girl, if you know what I mean. Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we have an exciting and very different video on my channel. We have a summer date night get ready with me, you all. Outfit, hair, makeup, fragrance featuring Dossier. Speaking of Dossier, they are sponsoring this part of today's video, and I would love to thank them so much again for collaborating with me. So you all, if you would like to see how I got this hair, makeup look, outfit details, and what I smell like, my fragrance, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so Dossier is nothing new to my channel. I have worked with them time and time again. They are absolutely amazing. They create the opportunity for you to smell like luxury and feel like luxury, but at an affordable price. Dossier replicates designer perfumes and colognes. Their perfumes and colognes start at $19 in comparison to that designer brand starting at, I'm sure, $100, $150 plus more. Also, they now carry candles on their website, so can you imagine their beautiful fragrances being merged into a candle? You all, it's absolutely amazing. I own one, and I'm telling you all right now, it is absolutely the best candle I've ever smelled of all time. I have it upstairs in my vanity area, so I'll be sure to include a clip of that candle that I have yet to burn and my other Dossier perfumes. So let's get into the two that they sent me today. So here they are. This is their box and their packaging. It says Dossier. And then on the top it has a fragrance that you receive. Here's the inside of their box. It just says iconic scents, designer quality with no markups. And with your fragrance, you also get their stock card, which includes the name of your fragrance and all of the notes. So this is the scent that I chose this time around. It is Ambery Cherry. Ambery Cherry is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Oh my, y'all, I've been hearing all about this Tom Ford Lost Cherry, so I'm so happy to finally have my hands on it because that retails for $400 plus. You all. In comparison to Dossier's price of $49 for this bottle. You all, you cannot beat it, I'm telling you. So the top notes are cherry, almond, and cinnamon. The middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. And the base notes are Peru, balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla. And what I love about their packaging, because I love to keep these in my bag, is that it's magnetic. So you're never ever gonna lose your top because it is magnetic. So let's go ahead and give that a, nice spray. You all, this smells so warm and cherry, like cherry pie, but very warm, Wow, this smells amazing. I'm telling you right now, whoever smells this on you is going to be hooked. You hear me? So I'm so happy to have this Tom Ford dupe finally in my collection. Okay, so next up we have Dossier's Fruity Almonds. And this was inspired by Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume, y'all. Oh my, I'm so excited because I've also been wanting to get my hands on the original, so I'm so happy to have the dupe in my collection. The top notes are almond and peach, the middle notes are orris, orange blossom, and tuberose, and the base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, and cocoa. Let's go ahead and spray that. Oh my goodness, y'all know that I love almond on this channel, okay? Wow, this smells so good, so sweet, so amazing. I'm sure that this is gonna mix so well with my body chemistry. Oh my. It really does smell like a good girl, if you know what I mean. Wow, you all, I don't know what to say. Like, I use even my Ulta almond body oil all the time. I have it right here, so you all know that I love almond, and this is perfect. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Wow. And this retails for only $29. You hear that? Under 30 bucks, you can't beat it. And Dossier always has sales and great deals going on, so you can't miss it. Father's Day is coming up, so please be sure to pick up your man, your brother, whoever, a nice Father's Day cologne, you all. It is the perfect time. And if I didn't mention, they are vegan and cruelty free with no parabens, you all. So for my get ready with me completion, I think I'm going to top the look off and finish everything off with my Fruity Almonds. And yes, honey, I smell so edible. I am ready for date night, okay? Oh, I feel so luxurious and I smell so luxurious right now. So you all, I would love to thank Dossier again so much for sending me these amazing, great smelling perfumes and for sponsoring today's video. I'll be sure to leave the link to Dossier's website and these perfumes directly in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. Please be sure to use my coupon code to save on your order as well. That will also be down below. So yes, you all, let's get into the rest of the Get Ready With Me.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. But sometimes you fall. 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 Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the say words I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
So yes, you all, this is the completed look. My hair is from the company Jesse's Wig. My purple blazer is from Boohoo. My tank top is from Sears. My ripped black jeans are very old, also from Fashionnova. My purse is my new baby, added to my collection by Brandon Blackwood. And tonight's heels of choice is from Ego. And my fragrance of choice is the Dossier Fruity Almond Perfume. So this completes today's date night. Get ready with me. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.